and like formulate your sentences, and on the other side, you just have to start adding more words to it. And if anything, like Duolingo will help you with the grammar side.
PR Spanish missing letters. It is. PR Spanish is tough, but it's good for me.
PR Spanish, they sing while eating.
Is it okay? I'm curious, because bags, like you're at the store asking for bags, bolsas. See, bro, they call it bolsalita. I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah,
I'm like,
little bag.
Is that what that is? Bolsalita? Little bag?
Yeah, you put ita on the end of anything. It just means little.
Is that what it is? Okay.
That's
They're
actually
not really little though. Maybe they just call like the grocery bags.
No, they call everything little.
Okay.
Okay,
that helps.
It's like saying like, oh,
like,
bring your little bag, and it can be like a big duffel bag, but like it can be ironic too.
Thank you. Okay, that makes more sense because I heard her say that, and I was like,
it's like saying it softer.
Yeah,
I like down here. The way it sounds. Down here, like everyone in Mexico does, like they add ita to everything, like just to make it sound kind of like softer and more friendly.
Interesting.
So like,
no, it's always bolsalita because bolsa is
like Boris has a penecito. Fundita. And my friend Caseycito. I'm not actually calling Casey little, but I'm.
What's up,
my friend?
What's
like a term of endearment. Jordancito. Yeah, Ignacio, my man Nacho in the chat here. He's got it explained better.
Got it.
Like less demanding, more conversational, more smooth. Like that's why it's like less harsh. You just it's less harsh to say.
I'm trying to learn, man. I really don't allow myself unless I really have to when I'm out and about to like use English. But I'm also not going too many places where I need to use like extensive vocabulary. So
yeah. By the way, Jordan, Ahmet was trying to come to the our friend Ahmet here. He was trying to come to the Wolf Summit, but he couldn't get a visa. He was trying to come in from Turkey. We probably could figure out a way to write a letter, but
let's write a letter.
That's gonna work out.
Let's write a letter.
I'd be down.
I'll write a letter.
Get Gab to sign it.
Yeah. Hereby, thy Ahmet.
So we are cordially inviting
enters
Ahmet to
the
be a part
gates
of, our
of the USA under the word of Wolf Financial on behalf of the Wolf Summit 2026 first annual.
I don't know Puerto
if it's
Rican
be annual. I don't know. Well, yeah, first annual. Question mark.
Maybe biannual.
Maybe.
You never know.
He's on the
What if we did a quarterly meetup? That'd be sick. And we could just spread it out across the country.
As long as you're paying for my flights and hotel, baby. I don't have money like you do.
Whoa. No, my wife's birthday and Mother's Day were the last 2 days, so.
Oh, you're broke.
Payouts that I took just replenished what I just spent.
I know,
that tomahawk was good last night, though.
Ignacio, I feel people don't like you, bro. If you don't know, like, I feel it. I definitely feel it. This one lady I tried to talk to the other day, she wouldn't even talk to me. It's crazy. I was shocked. Like, damn.
It's because you're a colonizer. It doesn't speak Spanish.
I'm learning though, and I'm trying. Like, It's not like I'm just ignoring it.
Hey, there's an idea. Jordan,
they should be happy. They got more jobs because of us. Fuck.
Nah, dude, you're just colonizing their island and making all the prices go up. That's why they don't like you.
Is what it is. That's the way shit goes. But then everybody wants to come. Everybody wants to come here.
Dude, nobody complains about people going and moving to Puerto Rico more than Puerto Ricans that don't live in Puerto Rico anymore.
Oh my gosh. Tell me about it. Those are my
favorite, dude.
I saw that on one of my TikToks, Florida, bro. New York. All the Puerto Ricans, they like live in Florida and that are commenting.
They live in Florida and New York, and they're the ones that are complaining.
I'm like, bro, you don't even live here. Shut up.
I don't know. All the Puerto Ricans are super nice to me. I mean, I speak Spanish.
Yeah, because you're fluent in Spanish.
But
if I was fluent in Spanish, it would definitely help. But I'm like, at least I'm trying. And like, you know, I'm trying to get with the culture. But it is what it is.
We're getting stuffed right at the level.
Ignacio said, blame all the Puerto Rican rappers. You mean the one? Nah, it's just funny. I don't mind it. I'll continue to learn, and I'll get better, and it's all right.
You say
but
what?
I just find it ironic, if you know what I mean. I find it very ironic how they're so mad that we came to their land, but, you know.
A free country.
It's also a part of the United States, so
yeah.
But hey,
plus it's not nearly as bad as it's not nearly as bad as you think it is. Like people like to talk about it because it's a talking point or whatever, but it's not like.
No, like definitely, like I've met a lot of nice people, but I've been down here long enough now. I've experienced a few moments where it's like, damn, man. It's like I get where you're coming from, and people are mean, like, and they just come down here. They don't want to learn any of the culture. I do though. Like I'm interested. I love it. Trying, and I don't give a fuck. Some of them, bro. They just don't care.
Look, you need to buy a razor or whatever. Yeah, one of those side by side things. Put a Puerto Rican flag just hanging in the rear view. Put some of those like colorful light sticks on the back.
Yeah.
You're in.
Jordy needs a Puerto Rican girlfriend. That'll get me in. Yes.
Puerto Rican freaking.
Her FCEL fuse cell is ripping. $19 calls coming in for June 26, 2026. About 2.6 million have been bought at the ask in the last 15 minutes. Around 2 to 255 on the premiums. Nice flow.
No, Jordan, that will get her out. Damn, Jordy, you sound genuinely hurt. It's just because like everybody's been so nice. It sucks when I'm like actually out here trying. It sucks to see that people are just like, fuck you, dude, basically. But it is what it is, and it forces me to learn more. So, all in all.
Oh, why was that not on everybody's radar to full port? That was the easiest trade of the year.
What, UNH?
No.
No.
Freaking fuel cell. FCEL.
Fuel cell.
It literally hit. Go to the weekly zoom out, look left. It literally hit all time. Keep going. It hit all time low and bounced.
Bro, look at this chart. This is why nobody.
Wait, hold on.
What are we doing?
Turn off your indicators and go to monthly. Go to the monthly. Look at that, dude.
Oh,
dude, wait. This is why nobody logged it.
Dude, that was the easiest buy ever.
Dude,
$4 was the easiest buy ever. All time low.
Dude, I used to trade this shit. I used to day trade this shit. Oh,
all time low.
Fuck, dude.
Yeah, don't go back that far. But yeah. Yeah. Right there. Look at that. All-time low.
That looks like a heart attack EKG.
Hey, it's going back to 234,000.
Hell, what's all-time high? Is that all-time high?
Yeah.
Let's go.
God bless.
Look at that. 2019 lows, all-time low, and ripper off of that. Stock's up like 400%. Let's go. That's the easiest trade of the freaking year.
3 exotic brides, and I got them soaking pan. Welcome to the Zanny family. Hold up. Oh, nothing like future on a day where you just crush the Bears. Been over these Bears.
Oh, dude. We all shorted the shit out of this thing this morning and caught that whole move down. It was glorious.
I only played longs today. I was up decently. I was like, I'll risk that, and this double bottom reversal signal printed. I just hammered.
SPY looks better than QQQQs. Is still
look at your banks.
Weaker.
Your XLF maybe a swing long.
Yeah, so all the banks hit targets downside this morning. BAC was the main one that I sent out for $50. It hit 49.85 and instant recovery. And then JPM went underneath 300 and target on that was 295. It went to 295.55. So yeah, banks are looking decent now.
Puerto Rican freaking, oh, she's sneaking.
What's today? Taco Tuesday. Who reports their earnings after the bell? Let's go take a gander.
Oklo. Oklo's the only one that I'll pay attention to today. Bob in the morning. Cisco tomorrow afternoon.
Meta and Nebius tomorrow. So nothing crazy today.
Trucking these Bears. Just trucking them.
Where's Trump speaking at?
He's on an airplane right now, right?
I don't know. He's Trump. A bunch of headlines coming out right now. Trump on Iran, only going to make a good deal. He does not need China's president's help. About inflation, his policies are working. You're going to have a gusher of oil. The blockade has been effective. So he's talking somewhere. Is he using the private jet's Wi-Fi and on Zoom with Fox News or something?
Dude, it's a flying White House they got up there. I guess he almost always comes out and talks to reporters, and I'm seeing all these headlines come out. We'll win it one way or the other. We'll win it peacefully.
They say he's on the White House lawn.
Oh, is he about to go to the plane then?
I don't know. Getting on a helicopter. Okay. Helicopter. Helicopter. Do you want to FAFO some of these fuel cells? What are we doing?
I don't know. I'm just listening to Future over here sitting in my lungs. I just took some Molly. What else?
It's on the presidential throne. He's on the can. Taking a presidential poop.
Bitch from Pakistan, what up? Live on Fox News? Of course.
Oh, I was joking. I guess he really is.
I see. Cash Patel is getting.
He just called somebody, and he just called the reporter. You are a dumb person.
Who, Trump?
Yeah. Double the size of the ballroom.
Oh my god.
Double the size of it, you dumb person.
Right over here, and based on a lot of things that have happened over the last year, we doubled the size of the ballroom. So we're going to have a ballroom that's appropriate for the White House.
My kids aren't even home, so.
The ballroom now is ahead of schedule, and it's a little bit under budget, depending on the finishes that we use.
Does the president of Cuba have his days numbered?
Well, they're not doing well. Cuba is not doing well. It's a failed nation, and we'll be talking about Cuba at the right time.
Mr. President, let me ask you about Venezuela. Some Venezuelans are concerned that there are some political prisoners still in their prisons. Would you do something about that? Are you concerned?
We're going to get them all out. I'll tell you what,
USA Today got 5 cameras here.
The people of Venezuela are thrilled with what's happening. They can't even believe it. They're dancing in the streets. And as you know, we have Exxon, we have Chevron, we have all of the big companies going in. And Venezuela now is making more money than they've made in the last 25 years.
And the political prisoners.
You are a dumb person.
As you know, they let a lot of the political prisoners out, and the rest will be coming.
Thank you.
Did you ask Marty McCary to resign, sir? Or did you fire your FBI
Well, I don't want to say, but Marty's a great guy.
Oh my God, rip this thing another 100 points.
Wonderful man, and he's going to be off. And the assistant, the deputy, is taking over temporarily until we find him. Everybody wants that job.
Looking for
it's a very important job. Marty's a terrific guy, but he's going to go on and he's going to lead a good life.
Mr. President, Mr. President.
You know, he's a great doctor, and he was having some difficulty, but he's going to go on and he's going to do well. Everybody wants that job.
So the midterm elections, would you send the National Guard or ICE to voting locations in November? Would you do that?
Well, you know what? I'd do anything necessary to make sure we have honest elections. We have to have honest elections.
So you're not ruling that out?
Why do they do this so close to the helicopter while it's running every time? Bunch of jack wagons. Anyone starting to look short right up here?
And they do well with us.
His back test?
Is very good. We are going to have a great meeting. He's got what it takes to come in whatever he can do to help the
When you're negotiating.
American financial situation, I don't think about anybody. I think about one thing. We cannot let Iran have a nuclear weapon. That's all. That's the only thing.
Mr. President, will China invest $1 trillion in the U.S.
Send it.
What is more broken, NATO or OPEC?
Well, OPEC is having some difficulty right now because one of those things, but that has nothing to do with me. NATO was very disappointing to me. NATO was not there when we wanted them. We don't need NATO. We don't need NATO. But if we did need them, they just weren't there.
Help and contribute to a deal with Iran?
He could. I mean, it might be. I don't think we need any help with Iran, to be honest with you. They're defeated militarily, and they'll either do the right thing or we'll finish the job. They're either going to do the right thing or we're just going to finish the job.
Ooh. Oh.
For many, many decades.
Oh my God.
My relationship with President Xi is a fantastic one. We've always gotten along and
Little wiki.
very well with China.
There's volume coming in right now on cues.
So we look forward to it. As you know, President
Getting a little wiki.
toward the end of the
Something's
year. So
going
that'll
on.
be exciting.
Something's
Get the
happening.
ballroom finished. The ballroom is right on budget and ahead of schedule, but I wish we had to finish
Some headline around Saudi Arabia.
You may want to go see the reflecting pool because that's under construction and
The Great Reflecting Pool.
1922 is going to work properly.
Sure, and the gas tax in Congress.
IWM getting some volume too.
Not using it. They're not allowed to use it. And it's one of the best in the world, among the best oils in the world. Open up your oil in the North Sea and get tough on immigration.
Should he stay or go?
Europe is being very, very hurt by immigration. It's all over. Should he stay or go? That's up to him. But I told him from day one, you're getting killed on everything. You're windmilling your country to death. Open up the North Sea. You have one of the greatest sources of energy in the world. Open up the North Sea.
Should state governors drop taxes on oil? Would you ask them to do
I
that?
think it's a great idea.
200 points off the low.
Has there been any understanding between you and Putin that Russia should get entire Donbass?
No.
We have a standing invitation to travel to Russia. Do you think it might happen this year?
It could. I mean, I will do whatever is necessary. That war, I've settled 8 wars. That war is getting closer. Believe it or not, it's getting closer. And we think we're going to end up getting a settlement between Russia and Ukraine.
What is the ultimate goal of your trip to China?
I think more than anything else, as we have massive relationships with China, we're the two superpowers. We're the strongest nation on earth in terms of military. China's considered second. Who knows? I mean, who knows? But we are. There's nobody even to come close. And you see that whether it's
I'm about to get motion sick watching.
Iran's military is decimated. I have a great relationship with President Xi, and I think it's going to remain that way. We have a lot of things to discuss. I wouldn't say Iran is one of them, to be honest with you, because we have Iran very much under control. We're either going to make a deal or they're going to be decimated. So one way or the other, we win. But we're going to be talking with President Xi about a lot of different things. I would say more than anything else will be trade.
Just to clarify, did you say earlier that the only thing that matters to you when it comes to Iran is a nuclear weapon? You're not considering the financial impact of this war on Americans?
The most important thing by far, including whether our stock market, which by the way is at an all-time high, but including whether or not our stock market goes up or down a little bit, the most important thing by far is Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon.
What about the pressure on Americans and prices right now?
Every American understands.
Americans, how they're feeling about
every American. Are you listening to me? Every American understands. And they just had a poll, like 85%, which is surprising. It's only that. They understand that Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. If Iran has a nuclear weapon, the whole world would be in trouble. Because they happen to be crazy. They're not going to have a nuclear weapon. Now, if the stock market goes up or down a little bit, the American people understand. When it's over, you're going to have a massive drop in the price of oil, which a lot of people thought would be higher. And,
is the Dow back at 50,000?
That was $99 yesterday, which is low, which is relatively low. When this war is over, oil is going to drop, the stock market's going to go through the roof, and truly, I think we're in the golden age right now. You're going to see a golden age like we've never seen before. The minute it's announced, and I'll be the one to announce it because I'm the one that makes that decision, I could leave right now, and it would take them 25 years to rebuild their country. But I don't want to do that. I want to have it complete and total. So you ready? As soon as this war is over, you're going to see numbers like you've never seen.
I know how much you value loyalty. I know how much you value loyalty. Are you comfortable with people serving in the military if they personally oppose the Iran war or you?
It doesn't mean I'm happy about it, but
The way he says that.
Melee.
To voters who are confused about the changing maps, the changing dates, and the African Americans concerned that this is going to draw black members of Congress off the map, what do you say?
well, I think it's been a wonderful.
The Democrats.
Oh my God. The Democrats, or as I call the Democrats, because they are dumb in so many ways. They've redistricted for years, and now we took our shot, and it looks like we're going to pick up a lot of seats, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing. We want
Mr. President, Mr. President.
We want fair elections. The Democrats have been cheating on elections for many years, and all we're doing is winning. Thank you.
Bye, Donald.
Oil 24 cents off its high day. Market can care less.
All right. You are a dumb person. The ballroom is going to be the greatest thing. Double the size of it. Put it on an Indian burial ground. I don't care. But it's not on an Indian burial ground. Those are in Oklahoma. They voted for me. Now I'm sad. Can we replay it? After Trump's done, they should literally just put a reality show if they just follow him around. Just watch his life. What are we stuck on right here?
Spies at pre-market low.
We still can't get through last Thursday's high. That's the only thing holding us back. Spy. There's another drone headline again. It's the same headline as earlier. Deep Pro. Let's take a look around. Nvidia, Microsoft. God, Apple, what a box. This 15-minute on Apple just boxed in. That's actually insane.
Oh, EOS has earnings tomorrow? Is it tomorrow morning? Nice projection so far on ES, but we're just chilling.
Fuck. right, I guess I can go back to listen to my music.
Ask Claude what it thinks.
La 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 la. Microsoft OpenAI something. Wake up, take a sip of Ace of Spade like it's water. And them Zans with your daughter. I will never tell her sorry. If she catch me cheating, I will never tell her sorry.
I got Bentleys, I got Raris.
Turn a 5-star hotel to a trap house. Got my baby mama and my side. I turn the Ritz into a lean house. I'm on Adderall nauseous. Now they salty. Appreciate that, David. We sat there, dude. I was in here doing it on the stream. Me and Frank were just like, wait for the pitch. Wait for it. Wasn't the clearest one, but all you had to do was put it in play. Here we go. Break over and run. Cacao. If we run another 50 points here, we're just going to Zimbabwe and chill, baby. We're going there either way. What was the brand of the ones that you have, Jordan?
Yep, Velo.
We have these two.
There's also these.
I found a citrus one the other day for Zen.
There's also these. Heads.
Dude, the black cherries though. Citrus is
never had them.
There we go. I do have an extreme at. I've got 974.
Oh, no way. Let's go.
Oh.
Jordan,
But these.
Yes.
can we do something fun on stream real quick?
What do we got?
Can I give away 3 Lucid accounts?
Yes. Let's do it. And can you set us up on the Nightbot? the best way to do it.
Let me see. I gotta figure out where it's at. Let me see. There it is.
Just past the combine. Let's go.
Let's go. Lucid Flex. I have a 25K, a 50K, and a 100K account to give away. We're down.
Bang.
I want to put a tweet
Can we
together.
pick 3 winners at a time, Em? To do that?
I think so.
Oh, hell yeah.
What, on the numbers or the... Do you want a keyword? Or do you want to just randomly pick 3?
What are the options? What can we do?
We can do a keyword.
Okay.
Somebody that types in a keyword or a random number like we do. I don't know if I can do multiple winners.
If not, we'll do one at a time. We can just start with the 25K and work our way up. Just make it all random every single time.
We could do that. They go quick anyway.
We'll start with the 25K. We'll let fate decide with a number, get a winner, and then do the 50K, and then do the final one for 100K. Just do 3 for 3 with that. Might be the easiest.
Pick a number between 1 and 3.
Let me get a post together real quick in Discord and on X to get people over to the stream. That way they can jump in here and get this done. All right.
And we be steady mobbing. Okay, you're a goon. What's a goon to a goblin? Yeah, isn't it weird that Rooster didn't show up today when we sold off? Pretty weird. What other ways can I do a giveaway? Let me try. We're not doing the giveaway yet. I'm just testing some stuff while Casey gets the announcement out there.
Yeah, give us like another 10 minutes or so because we got to get this out there and let people know. They need to be in the YouTube stream, right? Not on X.
Yeah, it's gotta be on the Wolf Trading YouTube.
Wolf Trading YouTube.
Place,
okay.
It's the only place the Nightbot's gonna work.
Right,
Rooster is my Green Day alt.
Yeah, I'm always down, baby. Share. Copy.
Can we put that up on screen, Em? Anybody that go to YouTube chat to enter. So I just posted too. Want to make sure people know. If you guys are just joining from X, hop over on the YouTube. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, because it's going to read through the YouTube chat, so you need to be in the YouTube chat.
Do you want me to tag the Wolf Financial or Wolf Trading in the X post?
Wolf Trading.
Okay. I'm going to send this out and then send it out in Discord. All right. Posted on X.
Hey, do me a favor. Some of you guys just type Casey in the chat. I'm just testing something here.
Type Casey in the chat. Not Discord. Sorry. He's talking about YouTube.
Oh, I kind of like this. Everybody types in like a certain keyword, then it just picks a random winner. All right. That's enough, Casey's.
It's never enough.
All right. Hold on. Let me... This is just a test.
All right.
Jeremy Boyamba. That was
Spy
just a
popping up
test.
here.
Yeah, I'm still on. A trades one. I'm just okay. This isn't the real giveaway yet, guys. This is just, we're just testing the system here. That one's pretty cool though.
What is it?
Everybody that types in a certain word gets qualified, and then I just randomly pick a winner from those people.
Oh, nice.
There's another one that says active chatters, and I think anybody. Let me see what this one does. I don't know what luck modifier means.
I always like doing the numbers because it's like the lottery. Just completely random.
Dude, I love watching the numbers just go all over my screen.
Right? I'm down with the numbers. Just let fate decide. People use like their lucky number, their birthday, or like
or this
kid's
one,
birthday or something. Like
this one is just active chatters. So like everybody that's typed a message in the chat in the last 5 minutes or something gets put in here.
And then for the 3 winners, hopefully all of you are also on X as well. If not, we'll figure it out for me giving you the code to claim your free account on Lucid. But if you do have X, then I'll get your X and DM you. Star player in the Discord said, I need to cheat and make sure all 3 winners are in my Discord. Oh, I wasn't supposed to say that out loud.
Oops.
Oopsie.
Oh, I just got a trim.
Spy's popping. Like Spy looks like it wants to go breed.
974 trim just hit. I have one sitting at 992 and 010. And then nothing after that. I don't know what to do after that.
What are they doing?
Oh, that's right. I'm doing me.
I'm doing me. I'm living life right now, man.
That's what I'ma do till it's over. Until it's over.
But it's far from over.
Oh.
Bottles on me. Long as someone drank them. Never dropped a ball.
Good job thinking.
Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. 92, that's the next trim just filled. This is, I don't know how many points we are flying.
Boom, boom, boom.
Fly like an eagle.
Spy about to hit previous day low. Look at this move. Q's is like not. Neither is IW. I mean, IWM looks better than QQQ. Spy is like the best. This is where I went short this morning. That's gnarly. You're too fine to be laying down in bed alone. I can teach you how to speak my language, Rosetta Stone.
I swear this life is like the sweetest thing I've ever known. I did it overnight. It couldn't happen any quicker. All right, we'll give another few minutes. What giveaway? What style of giveaway do you want to do?
Like the numbers?
You want to do the numbers one?
Yeah, probably the easiest one to do.
Yeah. Or we could do like one of each. Maybe. I don't know.
I'm down for whatever.
Oh my God, we are flying.
Flying.
Dude, these Bears suck.
Bro, every
I'm
time
sure.
we have one
I'm
of these
sure
daily
Amp
games,
already.
bro.
I'm sure Amp already showed everybody the 10-minute reversal, but I mean SPX, gap fill, and then 10-minute Morningstar reversal signal across the board. That was a great spot for longs. What a ripper. What a ripper.
Dude, these Bears me la pelan.
Or ass cheeks is what he said in Spanish.
10 people in the chat just 10 people in the chat just understood that.
Apple is wild. Look at Microsoft. Microsoft is Apple upside down.
Yeah.
Literally, if you put Apple and Microsoft next to each other,
look at Netflix compared to everything else that's ripping off the lows.
Walmart
is wild. Oh, I just typed in Netflix.
Oh, Nvidia. Oh.
Nvidia the sticky with the blicky.
All right. I feel like enough people are probably here for the first giveaway.
Let's run it. Giveaway number 1. We'll go in order. Start with the 25K and then do 50 and 100.
Take me off your list, please. I do not need a loan. I do not have a business. Thank you.
Frank getting spam called over there?
Tell him, Frank. Leave me alone.
All right.
Is Apple going to do it?
Give me a nobody start until I start here, guys. Till I say go. Give me a range of numbers, Casey.
Ooh, range of numbers. Well, we got to think. There's probably a couple hundred people watching. 1 to 777.
Oh my God. Okay. Dude,
Bro, what?
we're doing it. Nope. Too late. We're doing it. Everybody get go.
Fuck.
Go.
Dude,
all right, everyone, go to the YouTube right now. Go put a number in the chat between 1 and 777.
Dude, this is crazy. There's already been 200 guesses.
See, I knew there'd be a lot. That's why we had to increase the number a little bit.
Dude,
does it tell you? Does it tell you what the number is ahead of time, or not until someone picks it?
No, it doesn't tell me until somebody guesses it. It's like,
oh hell yeah, we're gonna be here for a minute.
400 guesses have been made. 1 to 777. Here, I'll try to see if somebody gets close. If somebody gets close, I'll try to call it out because it does tell me that. It just says too high and too low on everyone's right now. When somebody's gonna get close. Oh,
that was correct.
Okay, here's a hint. 515 was somewhere close.
Ooh. Someone put 526.
508 was somewhere close.
Someone put 526. Come on, I got a feeling.
Winner! Winner, 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 winner!
Oh, we got a winner already? What was the number? Watch it have been 526, I swear to God.
Saptagiri? Saptagiri Sanjim 5411 is the winner.
Can you pin
How do
it?
How do you want them to get off?
Should DM you, Casey, probably.
Yeah.
The code.
The numbers are done, guys.
You DM them.
What was the number?
I
was like, can you pin it?
512.
512. Nice.
Who was it that one? Tell him to put.
Oh, look, somebody just guessed that. I122 just said 512. Look at that.
I just want you to know I cannot even see Restream right now.
Put your @ in the chat.
All right. Yeah. Sapthagiri. SAPTHAGIRI. We need your Casey. Do you want to DM them on X?
Yeah, I want to see if you have X. Give me your X. Give me your @
Please drop your @ for X in the chat. Like what this Nightbot does is it like pulls up just this person right now. So only the message, I can only see messages that they're sending on the Nightbot. I cannot even see my Restream. It's just a blank page. I'm gonna have to reload after this. You guys crashed our Restream. Make sure, reminder before we do the next giveaway, everyone go live. Click the live button on the bottom of the YouTube screen. All right, here, I'll text this to you, Casey.
Sweet.
There we go. All right, big congrats to the first giveaway winner. We still got what? An hour and a half left. Two more giveaways coming.
Is that their X @?
That's the X @ right there.
Oh, I didn't even see it come across the freaking chat. How the hell did you see that?
Because
I see it right there.
On the Nightbot.
There it is.
On the Nightbot, it comes straight to me. All right, I'm gonna have to. Oh, wait, I'm back.
Guess who's back?
Here's the winner right here.
All right.
So like on the Nightbot, it'll just show me like messages from just the person that it selected from, like, as the winner. The next one we're doing 1,000 to 2,000. What if we did the range of SPY including the decimal? 73,183 to 73,755. Jesus.
SPY rejecting previous day low so far. That same spot where I went short this morning. Ooh, NVIDIA getting a little perky.
Percocets.
All right. Ready for the next
Dow.
one?
All right, so we can do the number thing again. We could do everyone that types in a certain keyword. Randomly select either or. Two pretty solid options. Shout out to KC Trades here, giving away free accounts, free stuff.
Let's go. We love free. Free is our favorite 4-letter F word.
Free 99. Oh, it's my second favorite.
Oh, we're almost at 52,000 followers on X. Let's go. I'm at 51.9. How close are we to 52?
50 followers away.
51.
First one to find Casey's address.
Which one? Which one?
Third door on the left down the hallway.
That one with the blue door.
All right. Do we want to do the next giveaway now, or do we want to wait? Do we want to do everyone type in a keyword?
I'll say we can go ahead and run it, get it done before power hour starts.
All right. Do you want to do numbers or just Everyone types in a keyword to qualify.
Let's change it up. Let's do the keyword.
All right. Don't type the word yet, guys. What?
I don't know how it works, but
what should we do? What word or phrase or something?
Wait, how does it work?
So there's a certain phrase that users must type to enter the giveaway. So like it could be a word, it could be a phrase, it could be, you know, like for example, it could be just KC like I did earlier to test it.
Make me trim.
Make me trim.
Make me trim.
Make me trim. That's 3 words.
That's the phrase. Make me trim.
Everyone type in make me trim. I'll give you a couple minutes. Here, we'll do a minute and a half. Make sure you're caught up to live. Type in make me trim. Uh-oh. It's got to be all caps.
Put it in all caps. Make me trim in the YouTube chat for your chance to enter and win a Lucid Flex 50K account. Let's go. Caps, all caps, baby. 3 words. Make me trim.
Jordan, hit the soundboard or something.
We need a soundboard. Sorry.
You gonna make me trim. Yeah. There we go.
I forgot I'm the only one that has that one.
All right, which account is this for?
50K.
50K.
All right, 50K account. I'm about to hit choose a winner. And boom.
Ding, ding, ding.
Daniel Eggers, Cubs. Daniel. I can't see my restream again, so that's fun.
No way.
Bing
Danny
bong.
won that? Danny did?
What says?
Danny in the Discord? Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's
Discord
Danny.
Danny?
Danny in my
Danny?
Discord. Let's go. He just said fire. Send it. Let's go, Danny.
Discord Danny. You don't even need his
Look at
ex. There
that.
you go. You can just send
Let's
it to him.
fucking go. You won the 50K. Ah, that's awesome.
Here's the Nightbot message confirming it right there.
Let's go, Danny.
I guess if you know who that is, I don't have to get their at.
No, yeah, we're good.
Yeah, no, I got Danny right here. Because his name in the Discord is Danny Running Foots, and then he has Go Cubs.
Where you get that cheese, Danny? Where you get that cheese, Danny?
Oh, let's go.
Where'd you get
No
that cheese,
shirt
Danny?
in his boxers, bro. Fucking flipping grilled cheese middle of the night.
Motherfucker's been making them at night. I know he has. You've never
The
seen that from
cheese,
Shane
dude.
Gillis. This is one of the best. This is one up there.
I knew at first you guys were like, what the fuck?
Danny, what's your ex at?
Oh, man. And a quick reminder, you have to be on the Wolf Trading YouTube for this. Shout out to the people that are on KC Trades YouTube channel. The Nightbot does not work across multiple channels. So for this giveaways, it's only going to be, I saw a couple people. So I just want to give you guys the chance. First off, reminder, everyone make sure you're live. 2, make sure you're in the Wolf Trading YouTube stream for this one. You can go back to KC Trades other. What are they doing to my daughter? Good God.
Yeah, the link I posted is for the Wolf Trading YouTube. That's where
Wolf Trading YouTube is where you have to be. So one, make sure you're live. Make sure you click live. So whenever I say go and start the giveaway, because we're doing one more here shortly. Jesus Christ. Can we get a bottle made or something?
She needs some milk.
All right. Sorry, hard to concentrate.
Oh, I feel you, brother.
Look, Stan's mom, go to Wolf Trading, the Wolf Trading YouTube channel. That's where the giveaway is happening. Shout out, you can do KC Trades any other day whenever it's live. But for the giveaway, come over to the Wolf Trading. There you go. Now you're here. Okay. Got that worked out. Number 2, make sure you click live. I know some of you guys, your computer will buffer, your phone will buffer, whatever. You may not be caught up to live, so stay live. Number 3, make sure you subscribe to Wolf Trading. Drop a like on the stream. Casey's on here just giving out free accounts. We've given out some great trades. And we do this live all day, every day.
Let's go.
And don't forget, KC Trades will be in New York with the whole Wolf Trading crew. August 3rd. Tickets are on sale.
Yeah.
Summit.wolf.financial.
Yep, I'm sending out a post later today, but I, for one, am super excited. This will be my first trip to New York City, my first time to any kind of trading event. And one of my, dreams of going to the New York Stock Exchange. So I'm like getting an all for one going to this thing. So I'm like super fucking excited to meet all of you guys, to talk about trading, doing what we love. I mean, being able to talk with other traders who want to come, attend, sit down, hang out with all of us. It's going to be an absolute freaking mind-blowing experience for me. So I'm excited.
Yes, sir.
Dude, look at that smile. Just, I want to pay double just for that. And shout out to Public, title sponsor of the event. If you have a public account, or if you open and fund a public account, you will you'll get $500 off your ticket.
$250. That is cheap as shit.
Yeah,
and y'all are gonna get fed, by the way, as well.
Yeah, there's food included. We're doing a happy hour after. This is all happening like a block from Times Square.
Dude, literally, we're hanging out near Times Square in New York City. We're going to be talking and just doing live trading, all hanging out. They're going to feed us some food, and then we're having a happy hour afterwards for $250.
$250.
Sign me up every year.
I've spent more literally every single time I've gone to a club just for one night, which is like a couple hours. Every time I've gone to the club in New York City, I've spent more than that. Spent 5 times as much as that.
I'm going to dinner Thursday, and my meal I'm going to order is more than $250.
Exactly. So worth it.
Guys, if you want to hang out with me, I will be eating at Taco Bell for about $14. After the happy hour, I'm definitely walking to Taco Bell.
I'm gonna eat and drink. I'm gonna eat and drink alcohol that's worth more than $250 while I'm there.
Yes, Mateo. Mothers I like to feed. Yes.
I will be getting my my money's worth out of that. Open bar, dudes.
Dude,
yes.
I don't know. I don't know the full details, but I know. Look, we rented out an event venue, and then we rented out basically a bar with private bartenders. We're not making any money on this. I'll just in case anybody's curious, there's no money being made on the Wolf Summit. This is just putting it all right back into the event, and we have sponsors helping to cover some of the costs. All right. Big shout out to that.
Oh, and I get to meet freaking Einstein of Wall Street as well.
Oh yeah,
that's right. I forget, dude. I forget you haven't like. Oh yeah,
dude. I had like Tuesday,
this is. I think we're gonna go to the. I think we may go to the Nicey on Tuesday morning.
Is that what we're doing? Tuesday morning?
I don't know.
I think they said. I think they said New York Stock Exchange in the morning and the NASDAQ for the close, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah,
probably what we're doing.
I don't know the full details on what's been confirmed, but that's the plan. It is New York.
I'm getting in there.
Just so you know, Telon, it is New York, and you walk down the sidewalk in New York. Smells like the devil's lettuce.
That's because Jordan's got it in his pocket.
Y'all know who to come to at the event.
Whoa. Oh, there's also a hotel block, guys. So if you're coming from out of town and you want to stay the night, or even if you're nearby but you want to stay the night, we have a hotel block. You'll get the details on that. We're not going to sit here and tell everybody which hotel we're staying at, but you'll get all those details after you sign up and purchase the ticket. And we have like a group rate. I'll be staying.
Yes, Mateo.
I'm actually getting in on Saturday, so
I'll be staying at the Red Roof. I'll be staying at the Red Roof Inn on 15th Street.
Oh, they have one of those? Do they
room
have
420?
420?
Yeah, room 420. Red Roof Inn. Come hang out.
A rat piss on you. Now we smoke with the rats. Get them NYC rats all buzzed.
Red Roof Inn. Weed in one pocket, peptides in the other.
You know it.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and do the last one, Imp.
Yeah.
Do the big boy.
All right,
100K account.
100,000.
Bing bang. Another one.
All right, let's do the number thing again.
Yeah, I'll make it smaller this time.
No, this is a bigger account. I'm not gonna give any hints. What's the number range?
1 to 1,000.
All right, 1 to 1,000.
1 to 1,000.
Okay, we'll do 1 to 1,000. And we're giving away Casey trades.
No, we are.
This guy.
The GOAT. Look at that, 52K, about to hit.
Almost.
Nobody. Oh.
Hey, if you're watching on YouTube and you don't follow me on X, make sure you go do it because I'm trying to communicate to you guys on X to get these accounts anyways. So you better be following me if I send you these free accounts.
All right, guys, I'm about to hit go on the giveaway. Every one of these numbers have been typed. I've not said go yet. Well, I just looked over and just...
They're ready. We're ready.
All right. Hope everyone is caught up to live. Hope everyone's in the stream. It starts... now.
1 to 1,000. Type in your numbers. Just by the time someone gets it, you can do 1 enter, 2 enter, 3 enter, 4 enter, and just work your way up. Eventually, you'll get there.
God, dude, there's been 800 guesses already.
It's going to be 1,000 guesses, and it's going to be hilarious that it still hadn't been picked yet. You know, it'd be even funnier if this is like a single-digit number, even a 2-digit, like 12, something crazy.
That's what you know what I should have done. I should have said, yeah, just like made the range like 1 to 10 instead of 1,000. Nobody's gotten it.
What?
Nobody's even close.
Somebody's got to be close.
Get a little flag off the 9 here. Uh-oh, are we going to make another leg up? Can we go to VWAP?
How is no one close yet? That's insane.
Oh my gosh, nobody's gotten close.
I'm trying to think what hasn't came up. Okay, I haven't seen a lot of numbers that have been in the 100s. So I'm going to take a guess and say maybe it's in the 100s.
Oh, we got a winner!
Oh, we got a winner!
Aiden's 6122. Aiden or Aiden
There
S.
we go.
Aiden's 6122. Drop your X at in the chat, please.
Let's go.
It looks like the winning number was 407.
407. Let's go.
Let's go, Aiden. Drop your X at in the chat. Look, I'll put it right here on the screen. It was this number right here.
There you go. 407. Let's go.
Just so you guys know I'm not bullshitting over here. All right. I've got the at. I'm going to text it to KC.
Let's
100K
go.
winner.
$100,000. All right, let me go put together a tweet right now. I'm gonna tag all you guys. I'll tag all you guys in the post on X, and then I will DM you each individually with the code for your winning account. Congratulations to the 3 winners. We love giving away free shit. Let's go.
Oh! And just doing free streams all day, every day. Live trading, market analysis, trading education, vibes. So you can throw vibes in there, breaking news. Throw it all in there. What an absolute hammer off that low today. Boom, these bears suck. Should have made that. Shout out to everybody that tuned in. We're still live for another hour, guys. Power Hour is about to start. We're still long. Dude, my restream is glitched all the pieces because of how many. It's still showing me. It's still. It can't keep up. It's still showing me numbers. Jordan got booted.
Let's go.
Not only did Jordan get booted, I'm still seeing numbers.
People are still typing in numbers. That's because they're probably not.
I'm not talking about these numbers that people are typing in right now that probably aren't live. I'm talking about like I just saw one from NYG, from Keegan, from JT.
I think we're back. Wi-Fi just went out. We have some crazy weather, so
I thought Restream just rugged you because my chat is just now catching up to live on Restream.
Whoever won the 100K account, make sure you are following me on X. That way I can DM you, please.
Aiden. KC Trade 777. You guys can also just DM KC Trade 777 to help get the line of communication open. I've had to do that a couple times myself. My ex is Wolf Ryan.
We'll give it like 10 to 15 minutes to make sure our 100K winner I can send a message to. If not, we might have to run it again.
My shit is so cooked. That Puerto Rican Wi-Fi.
Puerto Rican freaking. Little double top projection at the 29K area. And ES at previous day's high. Make it a little evening star here. Aiden says he just sent you a DM, Casey. You may check your request.
I am checking currently and I have nothing. So I'm wondering if you are potentially following and messaging a fake Casey Trades on X. Curious. Let me
Did you go
see.
to your message requests?
Let me see. Might have to just restart my X app though. There we go. I see you. Took a second to come in. Bang. We're good. Let's go. I'm going to message you. Let me accept. Bang, bang. All right. We're good to go. Let me go ahead and send this post out on X.
Let's go. Shout out to KC Trades. KC Trades 777. You should be following him. If you're not, part of the Wolf crew. 6 people followed him since we started this giveaway.
Woo!
He will be at the Wolf Summit August 3rd in New York City with all of us, as well as many other people. The Einstein of Wall Street, Paper Gains, who was here this morning with us, Scott Redler, Stock Talk. Sim's going to be there. Maple will be there. This Nick guy, I don't know. Shout out to Nick. Bull Trade Finder, G-Knots. Frankie will be there. Of course, Evan, Gav, some rest of our crew in the background. Shout out to Public for that. Shout out to Leverage Shares for sponsoring the stream, making the stream free. And shout out to Code Wolf. Get the best discount at any prop firm. Let's use Apex and use WolfX. The event is not at the New York Stock Exchange. You will be able to see, so for those that haven't ever been, the New York Stock Exchange obviously is on Wall Street. The NASDAQ market site is on the corner of Times Square. It has a huge billboard up there. We're just the crew that's putting on the event. I think we're going to be there on Tuesday. So you may get to see us for the closing bell for that. But that's on Tuesday. Now, Monday's the event. The event itself is literally a block from Times Square, from where this NASDAQ market site is. If you've never been to Times Square, never seen it, It's pretty cool. It's right next to where they dropped the ball on New Year's, by the way. The happy hour is in that same, it's like a block, 2 blocks away as well. Times Square is not cheap, by the way. So we're not making money on this. Also, shout out to Big Frank the Tank just hanging out with us today.
Bing bong. I don't have a soundboard.
That was a good one.
Bing bong.
Jordan used to post that GIF all the time. It just cracked me up every single time.
I know.
And you can say NYC is getting slummy. Maybe it was kind of always that way, I feel like. But Times Square is a tourist area. So I like New York. New York fascinates me, to be honest. I don't know that I could live there, but I mean, somebody paid me $500,000 salary a year, I'd live there, but I don't know. Joe told me that he wanted to go hang out in Jamaica, Queens. It's slummy if you're poor. Have fun staying poor. Should have bought more Bitcoin. What is the roughest? Was it O Block or whatever? Where Takashi went down there for 14 minutes and left. Where's O Block? Let's go to O Block.
O Block.
Got to check in though before we go.
Hey man, you think you just come to my city and not check in? You thought you could just
Have you ever seen
the streets?
You ever
not
seen
check
the
in me? That shit's so
You ever
funny,
seen
man.
when DaBaby was filming that music video? I can't remember where he was, like Richmond or somewhere. He was filming a music video, and these guys rolled up and was like, "Who signed your permission slip?" And he just stood, like all the camera crew was freaking out, and he was like, "Hey, we can politic, but it ain't like I don't sign permission slips. I don't do that." Shout out to the youngins out here. Oh, it was Atlanta? Oh, y'all don't be scared of Memphis. Yeah, Atlanta does have some rough places. Memphis is pretty rough, but come on, blow the top off this thing. Let's get back to the IB. Let's get back in yesterday's range. Can you imagine if we go green here during power hour? That'd be stupid.
All right, all three winners. I have reached out to you individually with your codes. It is in your X DMs. Congratulations.
Let's go.
Let's go. If I send a message afterwards as well, if the code doesn't work, then there's a 0 in all of them. Change it to a letter O. It's hard to tell.
Probably just copy and paste it.
Which one it is.
Just copy and paste. You should be fine. That you can also you copy and paste, but also make sure it's the right account type.
Yeah.
That is a key.
So yeah. In your message, it specifically says, congrats on winning and claiming your 25K account with that code. The other one, 50K. So you go to Lucid. I believe there's 3 different accounts you can get on Lucid. You can do the Pro, Flex, and Direct. It is the middle one at the top that says Lucid Flex. And then it's the first 3, 25K, 50K, and 100K. Just hit select platform for whichever account you want, input the code, and it should be for $0.00.
Tesla Poppy. And the video back over 220.
Poppy.
I'll say Spy's looking good. Q's still struggling a little bit, but like Spy might go make a new high of day. QQQ is not even over half of the range yet. It's insane. Looks like the 100K account has been claimed. Let's go.
Wow, it's fucking pouring.
Oh, did we break over?
We're popping. Q's is hitting 50% retracement the day's range right here, right now. 703.41. Spy is well above it, like at high of day, looking like it wants to take it out.
Dude, run this to VWAP and I'll just exit.
Brandon Clark died at 29.
All right, Joe, take it easy. Who?
Brandon Clark.
Is that a football player?
NBA.
Oh, wait, he played for Memphis, right?
Mm-hmm. Says passing may be involved to a potential overdose. 29 years old. That's crazy.
I mean, he got arrested. He got arrested in Arkansas the other day, like a month ago, maybe.
Did he?
Yeah, I remember. Like I'm putting it together in my head now. I think he had possession too. Damn, that sucks. That's sad.
Yep.
Oh, buddy, give me VWAP.
Yeah, he was arrested, they say, just over a month ago.
Mm-hmm.
Like April
Ross
1st
County.
in
Like he was in,
Arkansas.
like Wynn or somewhere.
Fleeing and eluding. And possession, trafficking, controlled substance. Man.
DraftKings. Negative
DraftKings?
headline.
Oh, dadgummit. What do you mean negative? Look at this. Look at SPY. New high a day? There it is. SPY, new high of day. Oh, what a freaking turn of events that was.
Oh, these bears suck.
Look at this.
New high of day on SPY.
Oh, NNQ.
Wild.
Oh.
Dude,
these bears suck.
We're about to make a new high of day.
Remember earlier, Casey, I was like, I wonder if this is the one they buy back. After they make everybody think the run's over just because we opened up and didn't run instantly. There they go.
Look at the daily candle.
All dips get bought.
It's just a big ass hammer.
It's crazy how we haven't touched the daily 9 in
6 weeks.
Yeah.
If you got close to it, tomorrow we'll open up and it'll look like we touched it today.
Since the first
No,
week
we
of
didn't even get
April.
close, dude.
Why?
No, we didn't even get close. Now, like if tomorrow like just rips faces, maybe.
That could open up tomorrow and it just looks like we hit today. It's close enough, I think.
Freaking gnarly, dude.
Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I think it does depend on what we do tomorrow.
All right, full exit right there. VWAP.
Ooh. That's
God,
my bad.
what a. I was hammering this thing long at 811. $250 points. Yes, I closed way too early. Just took IB high on yes. Wild. What a freaking day. I'm gonna fly like an eagle. Trump had he told us to buy, basically. That's what I heard. I don't know. What an amazing day.
The best day.
I know a lot of great days, but this one, these bears are disgusting pigs like Rosie O'Donnell. Fly right into the future. Time keeps on slipping.
You know what I was thinking about swinging long?
Banks.
I wish I was already in that.
Oh.
Google. Google just hit the Daily 9 for the first time in however long.
And the volume shelf.
Yeah. What you guys think?
You probably get a nice little bounce here.
Look, someone in my chat and on YouTube at the exact same time said D's nuts.
Nice.
When I said what we swinging. Look at that.
Oh, okay. These bears are swinging on D's nuts right now.
Mm-hmm.
D nuts.
Yeah. Got him.
Whatever happened to that guy?
I met him.
Did you really?
Yeah, so when I was living in LA for a bit with that guy Gus, and his homies, he owned a weed shop, cannabis dispensary. And so I went there and was hanging out with everybody there, meeting some new people. And that guy came in because they're all like friends with the one of the other owners of the weed shop, and like they work with a bunch of influencers and stuff. So he was there randomly, and
Nice.
yeah, I got to meet him. It was super interesting. Guys cooked. But guy is so cooked.
Spy just gonna hit high of day and print a 5-minute sell signal. What are we doing?
Well, VWAP.
What if we reject here and MOC just sells it straight back down?
Could.
Spy's midpoint is just under 735. That would be wild. No way we reject here and make a 5-minute sell signal.
Rejection. Funny ass, yeah. See it.
Q's, if it sells back down and closes under the 9, same for IWM, you'll have 5-minute evening stars across the board off that.
Fly right into the future.
The moves in MOC have sucked lately. I've been wanting to take an SPX for like a couple 100%, but it just doesn't happen anymore.
There haven't been any like big buying. I mean, at least like
even on days where the
Mag
numbers
7.
were large, you weren't really getting a big move on Spire Qs. It was happening like once market was closed, like after hours, like for the next 15, 20 minutes. But
well,
from
Mag
350
7,
to 4, man.
the Mag 7 names have not been doing it. That's what you really need.
Let's go check.
Right into the future.
Any flow coming in? STX 820 calls, 7/17/2026. TTMI 120 calls from May 15, 2026.
So what if they just push this to IB low? 080.
They wicked it off the 5-minute 9. There's no sell signal anymore across the board.
You just got a little red candle reset. Tell me this isn't gonna just run. That would be insane.
Dude, I'm really
right
digging Google.
What are they doing with Meta?
Popping on 5-minute.
Meta like tried to dip down into this little gap and said, we're gonna hold the gap and we're gonna get back over 600. Yeah, typical. Yeah, 592. Jordan, are you drawing on a dry erase board? What was that sound?
It's not me.
That was me.
What were you doing? Was that your lip?
I don't know what I was doing, to be honest with you.
It sounded like somebody was like riding on a dry erase board.
Like, I didn't do anything.
SPX call entry now. Okay, you were really degen. 7400s with 30 minutes left.
Get Google into the close, just trying to lure me in. Google's like, swing me long. Swing me long. Fucking man. Let's just not even discuss that, man. OMG. How much buying power do I have left on the small account? I mean, what? Google 420s for June 18? What we thinking? What we drinking?
New FDA head announced Kyle DeMantis, I believe is the name.
Demantes. Nuts. Ha. Get you. Ha. Shawty wanna die.
Kyle Diamantis.
Bottles in the club. Not to touch you. Come on. Yeah. Oh, get him my hater swag like mine.
Like
She
mine.
wear
She
her
even
down
wore
her
her down her back like mine.
I make him feel right. I ain't
Man, she never had a
I
love like
think
mine.
maybe, just maybe.
Told her back it up like
Burp. Burp. Derp. Derp. Made that ass jump like jerk. Jerk.
Shawty wanna thug.
When she in the she
Do I like the that remix of that?
So I let her lick the rapper. The remix is good.
With Kanye.
There's a rock cover of it, and it's actually pretty decent.
Oh, we're still running. Oh, these bears suck. Worst bears ever. Dude, what? Can you imagine if Spy goes green?
Ooh.
This is my last target was really like right here. IV low 80. I mean, if you need another target. And Spy could go to 738.
Yes, sir.
How's it for you?
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
KC with the
Shout out.
shout out. Who's that? FedEx, Amazon? Who we long
Yeah,
right
who
now?
was that?
DoorDash? It's probably DoorDash.
Flower delivery.
Oh yeah, I forgot I sent this to you.
Yeah, thanks, baby.
Yeah, wow, you deserve it. You're a really good mom.
Thanks. Try my best.
God.
Are you still long from that same spot, Em?
I just took full exit at VWAP.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, I bet my chart executions are disgusting.
I bet.
All right. Don't let it lick the rapper. Pre-market high. Spy. Dude, crazy. We're going into the gap fill upside on SPX now.
Go fill the gap.
Bro, that's
These
wild.
bears suck.
That is wild. Freaking 60-point move on SPX back to 7,400 here. Fucking gnarly.
Oh my God, what a freak. I mean, following probabilities in Q, your other 135. This is absolutely insane move.
There it is. 7,400 SPX. Freaking wild. Gnarly.
Where are the bears? F these Bears, and F Chicago for even having a team named the Bears. Yeah, that's right. I said it. You're gonna tell me not to take shots at Chirac? I will take shots at Chirac. Spy right back to the NFP right there. How many Chicago people are in here? How many Chicago people we got?
I think I can take SPX puts right here at 7,400.
Maybe. Just shorty ass instead, maybe. He said, don't take shots at Chicago. We have enough shots. Shots. Chicago is my favorite example to use when people are like, is Mexico's dangerous though? Are you not scared? Like, do you not, oh, I'd be freaked out. I'd never go there. Like, dude, I drove across the country, went to the beach, drove through 3 states that you're apparently not supposed to cross, and 50 people died in Chicago from gun violence that weekend, and I'm the one that was supposed to be scared. Look, to everyone that's in Chicago, see there's several Chicago people in here. Move south.
He said move.
Move.
Get out of there. What are you doing?
Get out the way.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to. Well, let's get you guys a couple more payouts.
Look, he's trying so hard to even put Miami in his name. I love it. If like you gotta see it before
Yeah, if you go to the giant mirror bean thing, like I'm sure it's safe there. Outside of that, I mean, here's the other thing.
No,
like
all jokes.
Yeah, all jokes aside, like every city has like dangerous places, but if you're not doing dumb things, like you're fine.
So true.
Now, the weather in Chicago, that also sucks.
Just shitting on Chicago this afternoon.
O-Block has great attractions. I moved from Chicago to Memphis. Oh, no. At least the weather's better.
I'm going to take Google.
Oh,
dude, have you seen what this daily candle's looking like? Big ol' hammer, son.
Big ol' hammer.
I'm not gonna harp on this one, but this is funny. Yeah, I know of at least 3 cities where this is pretty true. Wait, DC? But Trump told me that DC was the safest city. We cleaned it up. We got the trash out. What a great city. Washington, DC. What the hell is this chat? This is what you do when you nailed Lowe's and you wrote it for hundreds of points. You had a huge day. And now you're just watching. Start talking shit about Chicago. I have heard there's good food in Chicago. A lot of people have told me that. There's actually some decent people in Chicago. Decent people, good food. What else? Is that it? That's it? That's all I can think of. If you like to fly kites, maybe big kite flyer, you can fly a nice kite there. I've never been to DC. Maybe one of these days. I don't know. Is QQQ finally done with the drop? What do you... I don't know what that means. I mean, there's still tons of like gaps down here and stuff. We just don't really have a real reason to drop. No more selling pressure. I mean, you look at it, let's see. The 3 hour that went straight down this morning is getting matched on the way back up here. Hourly is incredible. And you're back over pretty much everything. I mean, I don't know how this doesn't go back to like 7-Eleven. I mean, not today necessarily, but I've actually heard there's really good Mexican food in Chicago. Best type of tacos in Mexico that I can find in the US. Boy, that's just dependent on where you can even go. Dang, I exited 60 points ago. This thing's still running. I mean, it's got to have a corn tortilla. That's a must. You need cilantro and you need onions. Green salsa is the best one. The red one's not bad, but the green one's the best one. Arrachera is probably my favorite. Arrachera, I'm trying to say it in English. And pastor. That's what you really need to find. Go find you some gringas.
Gringas.
With pastor. So You can do tacos, get arrachera tacos, and get gringas de pastor. And if they don't have a little trompa, little trompo, like the little cone leg thing with the flame on it, the pastor is not going to be good.
I'm not saying sometimes I snipe shit and speak it into existence, but Google's getting a candle.
Yeah. I think they just had a headline.
Fucking new high of day before market closes. Google, give it to me.
Dude, I swear if SPY closes green, oh my God. We're still down 1% on NASDAQ, which is crazy. Oh, this thing's going right back to 200. Maybe not today.
The bot just closed an NQ long right there. You know what that means? It's going to go higher. It always continues after it closes the position. I swear.
HEB does sell sweet tea down here, so that'll handle that. I had Popeyes this weekend. We finally got a Popeyes. The only thing I'm missing is Taco Bell, dude. I never leave this place.
Got MOC in 4 minutes.
All right, well, the last target I could possibly think of was this 25% retracement right here, 135. But from a fib perspective,
God, dude, freaking MU calls are still coming in. Big orders on MU right now, $1,020 calls for September 18 and $1,030 calls for September 18. Big sweeps just came in.
good lord, they're expecting us to double again. That's crazy.
A single order on those 10-20 calls just came in for $5.7 million. And then a separate order that's 1030s, a single sweep just came in for $2.46 million. Some 1570 calls for August came in a little bit ago for $1.1 million. December 1510s, $2.14 million. Q's trying to push higher. Told you what happens when the bot closes the freaking position. Continuation. Does anyone want to swing like MU calls for fun, but I mean, how much fun is it to swing a contract that costs like $8,000?
Apple plans a customizable camera app aimed at pros. Can you imagine being a pro photographer and being like, yeah, let me use an iPhone camera?
Fucking MU is so expensive. Yeah, I'd rather just buy the stock.
All right.
It's insane.
$10 seconds till MOC. Watch them
10
just run
seconds.
this thing another freaking. Run it to 200.
MOC.
NVIDIA buy side. It's the only big name on here. They're selling Poet. QUBT is a sell. BMNR is a sell. I only see NVIDIA. I'll just run it to 200. Jeez, why not?
I don't even know what I would take for MU. Like, it's freaking stupid.
$2.6 billion on the buy side, 1.1 billion on NASDAQ. What a beautiful. Oh, they're just going to send this thing. Just degen long this thing at the highs.
IV on these contracts. Stupid.
This thing's what a crazy day.
I know, like MU's up like $50. Like, it's insane.
What a freaking day.
I kind of want to fuck around and find out.
What, right here, long?
MU. Ooh, Apple, finally squeezing, breaking 295, new high of day. My God. If Google breaks 388 and pushes higher, you can trim out some of these calls into the close if you like. I don't even know what they're at. Look, MU $900 calls coming in for May 22nd. I want to fuck around and find out. Decent volume on, they're expensive. 850s next week. Fuck around, find out. 925. Lotto.
This. Oh. I thought we were gonna get there for a second. Come on, Spy, go green. Go green, Spy.
925, excuse me.
Go green on the day. They want to go green on the day.
Apple, big wick, back down. Amazon catching some kind of weird candle. Microsoft's been weak all day. It's still sitting at the low.
I want to see Spy go green so bad. Apple got smacked a little bit.
All right.
Ooh, Meta's at the highs.
Great day.
Incredible day. Ooh, Palantir, big ripper off the lows.
Absolutely incredible.
Dude, AMD's up $20 off the low.
I know. I was in it earlier and then closed it. It was a beautiful. I mean, a lot of good recoveries after that 10-minute reversal off the low. Just everything started in sync. Just started going.
This is daily just hammer. Which levels are you talking about? I just want to know who got absolutely ran over trying to short the whole today. The NFP levels are from the NFP and ADP levels indicator. That's the paper gains thing. The edge full ones are previous session high, low, close. This gap fill whenever I have the IB turned on. What's up, Cinny? What a great day. The best day. They're going to pull SPY down and close it right on that NFP. It's only Tuesday.
More flow and volume on that TTMI going into the close. Flow on lift coming into the close. $16 calls for 6/18/2026. What's Lyft doing into the close? Lyft getting a nice pop. That's a gnarly daily wick. Ugly candle overall, though.
Oh my god, do it. Do it. Oh, they're going to step on it right into the close, aren't they? They want SPY right back at the NFP. Qs are still strong. 30 seconds.
More of those FCEL $19 calls coming in. FSO.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What a day. We didn't quite get to close the SPX gap, but good enough. Four points shy. That's crazy. I'm still pissed we missed this low. I had so many more orders ready to go if we just went 1 point. Was it 2 points lower? 1.5. All right, crew. How'd everybody trade today? You guys do well today? What a banger day.
Bishop took.
I like what Tommy said. It's nice. It's only Tuesday. Let's go. Elizabeth says she did great. Tommy fucking killed it. Arshia, take it easy. Appreciate the indicator, Arshia, by the way. Big shout out to you. Scalp a little green UK. Hey, no problem. Survived my account still alive. That's good. Good to hear that. Days like today are why I don't do consistency on accounts.
FCL just ripped 2.5% at the close, or after hours, right after it closed.
Damn.
After that volume came in. I mean, look at the daily chart on that thing. It's absolutely insane. Monthly starting to go. That may be a big one. Hey, my MU calls are green into the close. Let's go.
To the Dow closed green. Can you imagine we have a 2.5% update tomorrow?
Water day.
And
Yo.
when you said they're going to take this right down to 7400 SPX, I bought the 7405s for $1.20 and sold them at 325.
Damn. I should have.
I was loading them up when you said it, and I'm like, that just made me pull the trigger. But I was angry trading because I lost $400 on my 285 SPXs that I gave away at a $200 loss. They went to fucking 14. They went to 16. I held them. It's amazing. That was an amazing day, though. That was crazy. I'm glad I didn't get fiery on the short side. I tried once at VWAP. I sold 20 and covered them up 20 points. But no, that didn't even leave a mark compared to what it was on the downside. And we caught that bottom trade. That was unbelievable.
That's
I didn't carry it as long as you did, but I carried it for 140 points.
Yeah. Big day.
Nice. Good for you. Good job. Good for you.
Great day.
Yeah, I just took a payout of my personal account. 3 days early. Oh, God. I think the market realized he's not doing anything while he's in China, so it's going to be calm for the next few days.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, I'm gonna jump over to Stocks and Spaces personally. Appreciate KC, Frank, Jordy.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to the whole crew.
I'm headed out for the day. I'll see everyone
y'all
tomorrow.
tomorrow.